Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss about catalog retargeting and conversion ads retargeting. What are the differences, when do we use them, and everything else that you need to know. So, what is a catalog retargeting ad and what is a conversion retargeting ad? Catalog retargeting ads is when you are using a catalog. We have a video about retargeting that we're explaining about the catalog, and it has all of your products, okay? It's a carousel ad which is dynamically showing the item that the person has seen last into your store. This is why it's so effective, and we use it 99% of the time on your bottom of funnel, last 30 days retargeting. Now, what is a conversion retargeting ad? Conversion retargeting ads is when you're using actually normal ads, dynamic ads, or even not dynamic ads, and you're using conversion campaigns, not catalog sales campaigns, and you are going for purchase event optimization. So it's like you're running top of funnel, for example, but maybe with different creatives, which is going to be about your retargeting, or maybe you're running the same creatives that are working on your top of funnel, but this time you're targeting the people that they have visited your store in the last 30 days and you try to convert them. Now, since we analyze what is what, let's discuss about the different cases. We will start with e-commerce. With e-commerce, I need to explain that you might have a situation that you have a one item store or a store that has 3 or 4 items. There is no reason for you to use the catalog because the catalogs are not so pretty, okay? They are not very beautiful. You cannot influence the creative because it's automating all of the, it's getting automatically all of the creatives from your feed, from your Shopify store or whatever you're having. So you're having better control in terms of creative from the conversion ads, and this is very good. If you're having a store which is having less items, it's very good for you to use conversion ads for retargeting instead of catalog, because in my opinion you can show your product better and you can have better sales with this way. Now, case number 2 is that you are having an e-commerce store which is having several products. Let's talk about fashion e-commerce store which is selling clothing, for example, okay? And you are having 1000 products. In these kind of stores, it's better to use catalog retargeting because you might not be able to influence the creative and stuff, but you are going to be able to target the people with the products that they have seen last into your store. And if you're having 1000 stores, it's impossible for you to do conversion ads and target properly all of your bottom of funnel by showing the creatives that you want for all of your products. So it's more cost efficient and of course it's better, but there is also one case that you might have several products and you will have to use conversion ads. So listen to me carefully. We know that we have always our best sellers. For example, in every store that I go, there are 1 or 2 cases that I have seen all of the items of the store selling. Most of the times it's 2, 3, 4 items that they are selling and they are the best sellers. If this is the case and you have, for example, 5000 products and only 2 or 3 of them are selling, okay, that means first of all that you will have to remove all the other items and try to find others that they will be able to sell well. But if you don't want to, for any reason, you should do conversion ads and focus on these 3 products. It's going to be better instead of using catalog. Now, I need to clarify that even with 3 products, catalog might work, because this is the work of the catalog, to work and to be able to produce sales for your bottom of funnel. So, as I said, it's not necessary for you to use catalog or conversion. Both of them can work. We are trying to find the most efficient way and the way that is going to produce the best results. Now, the last option is lead generation. For lead generation, there is no way for you to use catalog. You should always use conversion ads and you should try to retarget the people with the best possible creatives that you want in order to convince them to become a lead for you. So before we close the video, if you don't know how to run catalog or conversion ads and stuff, I have videos about dynamic creative ads that you can run by using the audiences for retargeting, and I have also the retargeting video that I have created with the different styles of retargeting and so on. You can go and you can watch them. There are tutorials and you can go step by step and create your own campaigns. Don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book and my free course. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.